Now, amid the red alert sounded by IMD, Cyclone Remal is also to make a landfall at midnight off the coast of West Bengal. As per IMD, Cyclone Remal will intensify into a severe cyclonic storm in the next few hours and cross between Bangladesh and adjoining West Bengal coast around May 26 midnight as a severe cyclonic storm. Citizens have been relocated to safer zones.
It is likely to cross आज midnight में वो बांग्लादेश एंड एडजॉइनिंग वेस्ट बंगाल कोस्ट को क्रॉस करने का फोरकास्टिंग है बिटवीन सागर आइलैंड एंड खेपुपाड़ा क्लोज टू द साउथ वेस्ट ऑफ मंगला एज सीवियर साइक्लोनिक स्टॉर्म with maximum sustained wind speed 110 to 120 km per hour, gusting to 135 km per hour.
Now, according to IMD, the cyclone is likely to make landfall with a wind speed at 110 to 120 km per hour, gusting to 135 km per hour. Owing to the severe storm, Kolkata Airport has also shut its flight operations and it is set to resume tomorrow at 9 a.m. Both the NDRF and the SDRF have been deployed and maintain a close vigil on the situation. In addition to schools being turned into rescue centers, a war room has also been set up to monitor the cyclone. The Indian Navy has also joined precautionary actions with 2 ships ready for medical and disaster relief assistance. Additionally, the naval choppers are also on standby for rapid response. Odisha and the northeastern states are also likely to be impacted by the cyclone and are likely to receive moderate to heavy rainfall for the next 3 days. Odisha, on the other hand, has also issued directives to authorities in 4 coastal districts to take all the precautionary measures over the cyclone's impact.
जो हमारी वेस्ट बंगाल की कोस्ट लाइन है उससे इस समय 250 टू 260 किलोमीटर साउथ पे है और उसका संभावना है कि आज रात यानी कि 26 मई 2024 को रात को 12 बजे ये लैंडफॉल होगा बांग्लादेश की खेपुपाड़ा और इंडिया के सागर आइलैंड के बीच में। लैंडफॉल के टाइम पे आईएमडी की प्रेडिक्शन है कि इसकी सस्टेनेबल जो विंड स्पीड है 120 टू 130 किलोमीटर पर आवर होगी और जो गस्टिंग विंड है वो 135 तक जाएगी। इतनी विंड स्पीड में जो कोस्टल एरिया में जो खासकर साउथ बंगाल में कोस्टल एरियाज में जो कच्चा हटमेंट्स हैं, कच्चे एम्बैंकमेंट्स हैं, तो एम्बैंकमेंट्स जो है वो स्टॉर्म सर्ज के कारण जो है ब्रीच हो सकते हैं, पानी भर सकता लो लाइंग एरिया में और जो कच्चा हटमेंट्स है और जो हमारे कैटल्स हैं उनको इफेक्ट हो सकता है।
चक्रवाती तूफान रिमल जो है अब से कुछ ही घंटों में लैंडफॉल करेगा और उससे पहले हम आपको तस्वीरें दिखा रहे हैं ईस्ट मिदनापुर के दीघा की, जहां पर माइकिंग किया जा रहा है, अनाउंसमेंट किया जा रहा है कि सी बीच के पास और कोस्ट लाइन के पास कोई ना आए। हम आपको तस्वीरों के माध्यम से दिखा रहे हैं किस तरह से डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट ग्रुप के जो सदस्य हैं वो यहाँ पर पहुंचे हैं और जो टूरिस्ट यहाँ पर है, क्योंकि दीघा एक बड़ा टूरिस्ट स्पॉट है, यहाँ पर उनको कहा जा रहा है कि वो यहाँ से चले जाएं क्योंकि कुछ ही घंटों में जो है इसका इफेक्ट और भी ज्यादा बढ़ेगा, क्योंकि मौसम विभाग की तरफ से कहा गया है कि 110 से लेकर 120 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से तेज हवाएं चलेगी और इससे पहले यहाँ पर लोगों को कहा जा रहा है, स्थानीय लोग भी उसमें मौजूद है और साथ ही जो पर्यटक है उनको भी कहा जा रहा है कि वो यहाँ से जो है सेफ जगह पर चले जाएं और बिल्कुल भी ये सी बीच के पास जो है ना आए। ऐसे में करीब जो है 62,000 लोगों को जो है आइडेंटिफाई किया गया है पश्चिम बंगाल सरकार की ओर से लो लाइंग एरियाज में, जिनको इवैक्यूएट किया जाएगा। चूंकि लैंडफॉल का अभी समय बताया जा रहा है कि लगभग रात 11 बजे से जो है लैंडफॉल प्रोसेस शुरू हो जाएगा और 1 बजे तक जो है वो लैंडफॉल प्रोसेस चलता रहेगा। ऐसे में अब सरकार और प्रशासन के पास कुछ घंटों का वक्त है, जहां पर जो लो लाइंग एरिया और बिल्कुल तटीय इलाके में जो लोग रहते हैं उनको इवैक्यूएट कर जो है साइक्लोन शेल्टर्स में शिफ्ट किया जाएगा।
My colleague Shreya joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Shreya, you're of course in Kolkata and the landfall is expected somewhere around midnight, and I believe the effects of that have already started showing. Help our viewers understand what's the situation in Kolkata right now and also get us more details about the preparations that have been put in place by the administration.
Well, of course, the effect has already started to show. It has been raining now. For now, the raining has stopped for some time. Let me show you. There is a wind that is blowing, and you can see that how the cable lines, they have fallen to the ground. Now, of course, this was warned by the IMD that because of the strong wind, the electric lines, the cable lines might fall, which might cause a disruption in power and also a disruption in communication. You can also see tree branches falling. I'll ask my VJ to pan his camera and in fact show you how tree branches are falling here. So of course, because of the heavy wind, you know, this is the effect that we are seeing in Kolkata. Remember, it has been drizzling since morning, after which there was a heavy rainfall. Now the rain has stopped for some time, but of course you can see the effect on the ground. Now remember, today the cyclone Remal will do a landfall between the coast of West Bengal and that of Bangladesh, Khepupara and Sagar Island, somewhere between 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. in the night. Now, of course, the effect have started to show. Remember, several coastal areas in West Bengal has been said to be in red and orange alert. So, of course, heavy rainfall is expected not only in Kolkata but also in Howrah, Hooghly, Nadia and East Mednapur. There has been alert put for North and South 24 Parganas as well. Now, of course, there is a warning for fishermen. They are asked not to go near to the sea. Also for the tourists, because Digha and some other areas, Mandarmani, they happen to be tourist spots. Now, of course, those are high risk zone for today. Now, as far as the preparations is concerned, we have seen that Kolkata police have released a helpline to cope with the situation. Other than that, 9 teams of the disaster management, of the disaster relief, have been kept on standby by the Indian Coastal Guard to cope with the situation.
Right, Shreya, appreciate you joining us on the broadcast. And of course, as we see there in your visuals as well, the visuals that you're sending, the effect has already started showing. And of course, do take care of yourself as well, as we continue to come back to you for more details on this and track all the developments that come in from West Bengal and Kolkata. Appreciate you joining us on the broadcast with all those details.